Welcome to Treviso, one of Italy's most charming and underrated cities. Our walk begins along the peaceful Riviera Santa Margherita, where the waters of the Sile River gently accompany daily life. Passing through the university area and the historic Quartiere Latino, you'll discover a lively district filled with students, cafes, and centuries of history hidden within its narrow streets. Ahead stands the Loggia dei Cavalieri, one of Treviso's most iconic medieval landmarks, once a gathering place for nobles and merchants. Just a few steps away is Casa dei Carraresi, a historic palace that today hosts exhibitions and cultural events, blending Treviso's past and present. We continue to the picturesque Pescheria, the city's unique fish market, set on a small island surrounded by canals. The Church of San Francesco soon appears, a remarkable example of Gothic architecture and one of Treviso's most important religious buildings. Treviso is often called the Little Venice of the mainland, thanks to its network of canals and historic watermills that have shaped the city for centuries. We now arrive at Piazza dei Signori, the elegant heart of Treviso, surrounded by beautiful palaces and buzzing with local life. From here, we stroll along Calmaggiore, the city's main shopping street, connecting the historic centre's most important landmarks. At the end of the street stands the Duomo, Treviso's cathedral, while nearby the beautiful Casa Gotica offers a glimpse into the city's medieval architectural heritage. Leaving the center behind, we follow the ancient city walls, which once protected Treviso and still encircle much of the historic town. Our journey concludes at Porta San Tomaso, the magnificent Renaissance gateway that has welcomed travelers into Treviso for over 5 centuries. Thank you for joining this walk through Treviso. Whether you're visiting for a day or staying longer, this elegant city rewards those who take the time to slow down, wander its streets, and discover its hidden corners. Arrivederci, and see you on the next adventure.